Duncan from Custom Blinds is with us again here today on E-Radio, and we are talking about outdoor blinds today, options for outside the home. That would probably include awnings. Duncan, welcome back.
Thanks, Ian. Good to be back here.
So, Duncan, let's talk about the outdoor options.
Yeah.
What would you say are the benefits of these options?
Oh, Ian, I get excited with the outdoor products just as much as indoor. Your outdoor benefits are, for example, you have something called an outdoor drop-down blind. It's basically for your patio area to enclose it, to protect you from wind and rain. So you're creating a new living space by having these blinds, the drop-down blinds. So yeah, it enhances all your outdoor areas to enjoy more.
Okay, and then protect you from the sun and all the elements.
Sun and all elements. Again, like your indoor blinds, there's quite a few, many different applications and materials we can use. So whether it be canvas or something called a sun worker or a solstice, or those are all materials that we can use and look at for different applications to protect you from sun, rain, wind, but then also still allowing you to have your view just like you're inside. Mm-hmm. So yeah, many.
And fabric options, what are we looking at?
There's quite a few. Like I just said now, there would be your normal canvas, which we use on our outdoor drop blinds, as well as outdoor awnings, folding arm awnings, wedge awnings for doors and things like that. And then you start going into the more recent fabrics, being sun worker or solstice material. There's quite a few. So yeah.
And then once again, want to ask you the question, is automation possible outside?
Automation is absolutely possible outside. Most of the products we can automate. Being a drop blind, your folding arms can be motorized. On saying that, there's every little special detail that we can put in, but you'd be having your awning out during the sun, and all of a sudden, like Knysna with the 4 seasons we get, the wind picks up. We can even have a little sensor put on that when the wind picks up to a certain knot or speed, it actually sends your awning back home and closes it automatically for you. So you never have to worry about it. So super, super cool products. And again, thanks to technology, there's so many more, and we're always looking at bigger and better products. And yeah,
that's crazy. You don't even have to worry about it, or sit there with your phone, or watch the weather. It's just doing its own thing.
It's doing your own thing. There you go.
That's crazy.
Yeah.
And estate regulations, how does that work?
So it's quite difficult. Estate regulations, we have to, each estate within Knysna has rules and regulations that the homeowners as well as us have to abide by. So hypothetically, let's just use Teeson Island, which looking outside here we can see. In Teeson Island, there are rules and regulations for certain products that can be installed on the estate, and that just enhances the estate and keeps it, keeps everything uniform. So when it comes to products and colors, we in with all these estates, we know what the guidelines are, and we work quite closely with all of them. So yeah, each estate has different regulations that we have to abide by, and it's a good thing.
I know that in complexes also they're quite strict on, all the houses that need to look the same or more or less have the same style.
Yeah.
So that's probably also one of the regulations.
Absolutely.
And then insurances as an installer?
So we have got all our insurances in place. We also part of a council, so our staff as well as our clients are protected. Insurance, thanks to Knysna being a very small town, we work quite nicely with Garden Route Insurance Brokers, and Taryn, she sorts that all out for us. So if by any chance, accidents do happen, but if anything does happen on a site, rest assured that we've got all the insurances in place for our clients and their belongings, as well as all our staff. If anything does happen and they hurt themselves, they've got the insurances to go and get that all sorted out. So it's a big thing to do, and staff is family, so you always want them to be well looked after. So yeah.
Okay, Duncan, and how do we find you? How do we get in touch with Custom Blinds?
Ian, so my cell phone number is 079 523 5407, and then we're on Facebook, we're on Google, so Custom Blinds Neisner. We're on WhatsApp. You can WhatsApp me anytime. I will reply as soon as I possibly can. But yeah, we're around.
And then even Barry Hilton, the very famous South African comedian, endorses Custom Blinds. I think that's
it.
so cool. Hey?
Yeah.
Cool, Duncan. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Ian. Thanks for having us.
For over 15 years, Custom Blinds, Shutters and Awnings has been the Garden Route's trusted source for indoor and outdoor shade solutions. Their expert team offers a diverse range of blinds, shutters and awnings, all crafted with high-quality materials and experienced attention to detail. Whether you're seeking privacy, sun protection, or all-weather solutions, Custom Blinds has the perfect solution to enhance your comfort and style. We're owner-driven and offer a professional design service and seamless consultations and installations. Contact Duncan on 079 523 5407 or visit customblinds.co.za.